Next section, motivational cycle. Each action is first initiated because of particular need. The need drives the person into taking actions. Positive results caused due to the actions further actors as an incentive motivating a person towards the goal. But the individual can never stop after achieving a certain goal, and this phenomenon continues and on. This phenomenon has been termed as motivational cycle. Can you define motivational cycle? It is a transition of states within an organism that drives the organism toward this satisfaction of a particular need, where motivation itself is considered a hypothesis state. Stages of motivational cycle. Look at this stages of cycle. First, necessity or need. Second, impulse or drive. 3, action. 4, incentive. 5, satiety. It is a cycle. Detail about first, necessity or need. It is the reason for the action, the tension caused when the organism is deprived of basic necessities of life as food, water and sleep, cause the internal environment of an organism to be imbalanced. For any goal directed behavior, need is the first condition or stimulating factor. Second, impulse or drive. It is the activity undertaken by necessity the individual to act in certain direction. Hunger moves the individual to obtain food. Need leads to drive, which is the second step towards achieving goal. Three, action. It is the activity triggered to achieve something, looking for food. Incentive. It is the purpose which guides the action. Eating the food, the object of the environment that activities directs and maintains behavior is called incentive. Five, satiety. It is the satisfaction resulting from attained the desired goal. After having eaten the food, hunger disappears. The motivational cycle of the hungry man is over once when he eats and the goal is satisfied. Motivational cycle means that behavior goes on in a sequence. approaches to study of motivation, psychoanalytical approach, analysis of human psyche, ethological, evolutionary psychology, SR cognitive, stimulus response, humanistic, positive and self-realization. Thank you. Have a nice day.